we are searching for the Tusculum waterfall. And at the moment, we are looking for a sign.
It's loads of space in this car park. It's quite big.
You can hear water.
Well, that's a good sign. Oh. Oh,
and there's a lot of
yeah.
rushing water.
Oh, hello.
I mean, I can only assume it's down there.
Is this it? I think we're right on it.
Are we on it?
Well, it looks like it. This lovely bridge. And look at that. If I'm not mistaken, that's a waterfall.
Number 223.
Oh, it's pretty big, isn't it?
Yeah.